To make a red velvet cake in a mug, you will need 5 tablespoons of flour, 1 big tablespoon of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 4½ tablespoons of milk, and of course red food coloring. Begin by mixing all your dry ingredients in a bowl. Then add your wet ingredients to the mixture and stir. Your mixture should look something like this. Now add your red food coloring until you get your desired color. Next, pour your mixture into a mug. Then heat it in the microwave for 1½ to 2 minutes depending on your microwave power. Now, after my cake was done, I just put whipped cream on the top, but if you have cream cheese frosting, I would use that instead so it tastes like actual red velvet cake. I hope you enjoyed this how-to video, and I really hope that you guys all make this red velvet cake in a mug because it tastes really good. And of course, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next week.